So I'm using 5.5mm hook and I'm using the blush yarn. I'll join it later with another yarn, but for now we'll start our first row with a magic loop. I'll chain 30. So on the second chain from the hook, I'll make one single crochet, and I will make one single crochet in every chain till the end of the row. Now onto the second row, which will be the same as the rows which will be coming 2, 3 until 30. I'll chain 1, and now the first the first stitch as chain 1, we will put one single crochet. For every row will be the same. So when you chain 1, there is a stitch under it. You need to put one single crochet, so your work is straight up and neat. Now I'm at the end of my row and I've got 2 stitches left. Again, the last stitch will be this one. Sometimes it might be tricky, you'll think it's a chain 1, but it's a stitch where we need to put one single crochet as well. So again, for the work to be straight and neat. So this is the last one until there are no more stitches to put a single crochet, and we'll continue the same until row 30. chain 1 and a single crochet in every stitch. I'll meet you at the end of this, and I'll show you how many squares we did and how we will be joining them. So here are some of the squares I have worked, and as a recap, we chained 30, so chain 30 here, and then I did 30 single crochet rows, so it looks like this. And now the next step is joining the squares together. So what I'm gonna do with the few that I got, I'm gonna join in a round, means like this will be the center one, and I will, let me show you differently. Okay, I will just add the squares around this white one like this. So we will add it that way. Okay, so I'll start joining them so you can see what I mean. Okay. So these are the sides of my square. I'll start from here, holding the two sides together. I'll join my thread from the first point. Oops. Sorry. I'll join from the first point like we said. We leave a bit of a long tail so we can sew it later on to tighten our work, and we continue the same. Sewing is one of the easiest methods of joining any project together, and one of the neatest as well. So this is the first side already sewed together. Just before we go with the next one, what you can do if you don't like how it looks, you can single crochet on the sides only, which will make them look like this one. So the sewing will be easier and will be nicer and neater. Otherwise you can use this method straight away. I'll show you how it looks with this side. So I have two single crochet rows over here, and I'm gonna join them together, and I'm gonna continue sewing. So this time I'm gonna join the outer loops. So the outer loops is this one, and this one. If you want to see how to do a single crochet around a piece, I'll put the link in the description box. I have a separate video for that, so you can have a look and later decide what to do. So now this is how it looks over here, and it's much neater when it's two single crochet rows together instead of this turning point. So as I said, you choose how to do it, and I'll continue the same. Like I said, I'll join all the sides with the squares, and I'll continue the same way for the entire blankets. I'll come back and show you the final look. So I have finished stitching all the squares together, and this is the final result, what you get at the end of this project. I used a sewing needle and I stitched all the squares using an aubergine color. You can use whichever color you want. These are the colors I chose for this small blanket, and this is the final result, as I said. So as a recap, I chained 30 for each square, and I did 30 rows, and I did 10 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 squares in total, and this blanket measures around 36 by 26 inch. You can make it bigger or you can make it smaller, it's all up to you, but this is how you achieve this patchwork easy blanket. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.